Coming back to chapter 6, now we will learn about the types of soil in India. Children, you see here, there are different types of rocks present all over India. So in India, there are different types of rocks are there. Therefore, different types of soil are found in our country. As we have different types of rocks in India, we also have different types of soils, because the soil comes from where? Soil comes from the broken pieces of the rocks. So here you see we have types of soil, characteristics and crops grown in the soil. So we will see here, first we will see alluvial soil. What is the characteristics of alluvial soil? Okay, it is formed by the soil and small pieces of rocks carried and deposited by rivers originating in the Himalayas. Means alluvial soil is formed by the small broken pieces of rocks and it is carried away with the winds and deposited in the rivers, deposited by the rivers and originating in Himalaya. Okay, the rivers which originates from Himalayas, and there this alluvial soil comes. It is very fertile and rich in humus. It is very fertile land, very fertile soil, and it is very rich in humus. Humus means, you see here, the remaining of dead plants that decompose and improve the health of the soil by adding nutrients to it, mainly nitrogen. Okay. Now, it is found in the plains of Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Mainly it is found where? It is found in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. And what are the crops grown in this soil? Like rice, wheat, maize and sugarcane. Now we will see black soil. It is the dark grey or black in color. Black soil is either it is dark grey or black in color. It is found in the northern and western parts of the Deccan Plateau. It is mainly found in northern and western parts of the Deccan Plateau. Now the crops which are grown in this soil is cotton, millet and sugarcane. Now we will see red soil. The red soil is red in color. The red soil itself is color is red. It is not very good for cultivation. It is not that good for the cultivation, and so crops can be grown with the help of fertilizer. Therefore, it is not that much fertile soil, and it is not that good for the cultivation. Therefore, to cultivate in this soil, we have to add the fertilizers. It is found mainly in the southern and eastern part of the Deccan Plateau. Now, the crops which are grown in this soil is groundnut, millet, pulses and tobacco. Laterite soil. It is formed due to the washing away of minerals from the soil due to heavy rainfall. When the heavy rainfall is there, then when the soil is being washed away with this rain water, from there this soil is being formed. Some crops grow well with the help of manures. When we give manures, then the crops are grown very well. It is mainly found in the hilly areas of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Orissa and Assam. Okay. So what are the crops grown here? Tea, coffee and rubber. Mountain soil. As compared to the higher parts of mountains, the areas on the lower altitudes of the mountains have more fertile soil. The fertile soil which we have in higher place or higher parts of mountain, that is more fertile we get when it is in the lower part of the mountain. It is found in the mountains and hilly areas of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Crops such as wheat, maize, barley and tea. Fruits such as apples, pear and plum. All these fruits are also being grown there. Now, desert soil. This soil is dry and sandy and not good for growing crops. This soil is very sandy and dry because they do not get the rainwater. So, it is not good for growing crops. It is mainly found in the desert regions of Rajasthan. Mainly this kind of soil we get in Rajasthan. What are the fruits? What are the crops they grow here? Dates, millet, barley and maize. All these crops are being grown in this soil. So here we have seen the types of soils, characteristics of soils and crops grown in the soil. Students, once again go through this page and once again study and keep reading. Okay, don't forget to read your books. The more you read book, the more knowledge you will get. Thank you.